Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Don Gatindig, Coach Sam De Los Santos, and Vanny Gatler of the Sigo HC Spikers who won in 4 sets against the Zeus Coffee Thunderbelts. Coach, congratulations. First win in the Invitationals. Can you walk us through lang din yung naging journey ng Signal from the start of the Invitationals up to now na finally nakakuha din ng panalo?
Well, to be honest, medyo mabigat para sa amin yung yung mga talo namin, and medyo more on usap din talaga kami. And ang good thing lang, mas naisip namin kung ano yung mas better dito or ano yung solution. And I think isa to sa solution na makaka-help sa amin. And hopefully mas maging inspired ulit kami sa lahat ng gagawin namin. But all in all, thankful kami dito sa panalo namin.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Don Gatindig, with 18 excellent stakes and 15 excellent receptions and 1 point also in this game. This is your second game back for Signal. Siguro, gano'n ka lang din kasaya na after Alas Pilipinas, then finally, you're back here and nakuha niyo itong panalo against Zeus.
Very happy, syempre, na nakabalik na kami sa Signal. And kami naman ni Vanny, we're just doing our best din kung ano man yung mabigay namin sa team. And yun, proud ako sa team sa pinerform namin today. Kasi lahat talaga gustong bumawi. And mabalik yung kumpiyansa sa isa't isa.
Thank you. And for Vanny, this is your first game back for Signal and you scored 6 points in this game. I guess how were the adjustments coming from Alas Pilipinas and now back with Signal here in the Invitation?
Yeah, today it was really more on adjusting because I didn't get to train with the team yet. So I'm happy na I was able to play a bit, and I'm happy na the team is able to still to perform well. So I don't have that much pressure because they do their job then. So yeah, in the coming days, of course, it's adjustment period for me with the connection with the setter, most especially.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, ano po siguro yung nawala sa team these past few games carrying to the preseason na medyo nahanap niyo na po ulit siguro?
Pero una, yung pagbalik nitong dalawa from Malas. Sobrang laki ng impact sa amin ng dalawa. So, pinush talaga namin na maglaro sila. And we're so thankful na yun nga, nag-fit din dun sa schedule. Even Vanny, kararating niya lang yata yesterday. Last night. So sabi ko nga pagkatiwalaan niya lang kami na kami yung bahalang dumiskarte. Pero syempre iba pa rin yung impact pag nandiyan sila. So, and malaki ring boost sa team namin na may mga may ate like Don, and syempre yung isa sa key player namin na nandito. Yun lang din naman yung usapan namin, hindi naman siya totally yung buong game talaga. But siguro sa next game, ibang usapan na yun. Meron kaming 2 days ba? Tama, 2 days para mag-training. So, ayun. And siguro yung ano lang din, yung maturity ng team. Kailangan namin talaga, i-improve talaga namin yun. Siguro sa 4 months, I think 4 months, yun sa start kami na mag-rebuild ng team. Siguro lumabas yung mga kulang namin and yung mga ang dami na naming lapses, but ang good thing kasi mas nakita namin lahat yon, and aminado yung buong team, even kaming coaches, na ang dami pa namin kailangan i-process, and siguro time will come, but kung kayang i-pass forward or nasa right timing, gagawin namin, especially dun sa last game namin and pagbalik namin papuntang reinforce.
And for Vanny, what was something about your last stint that you were eager to bring to Signal, even though you're tired from a, I guess, hectic schedule, limited training? So, what part of that national team experience is what you were really keen on integrating back here with Signal?
The whole experience of playing in that level, I wanna bring here, with what I've learned, and hopefully my maturity, or since I have more exposure now, hopefully I can bring that to the team, and also yeah, teach them the little things I learned and the aggressiveness of being in the national team.
And for Don, parang how are you liking this medyo new look signal ulit since you returned, yan, Erica, Tin, and new signings din. So, kumbaga yung overall look and composure ng team, paano siya nagbago since having your new players?
Siguro yung potential ng team, yung sobrang I'm looking forward to it, na lahat ng players namin ngayon parang talagang may ibubuga. It's just that kailangan din nilang maniwala sa potential nila na kaya nila na mag-level up pa ng mataas talaga. So yun yung parang wino-work talaga ng coaches and namin, mga ate, na bigyan talaga ng kumpiyansa yung mga bata kasi ang laki pa ng kaya pa nilang improve.
For Don and Vani, it was actually a 4-game losing streak yung na-stop nyo today with the win. And for most of those losses, you guys were at the sidelines watching dahil na hindi pa kayo nakakalaro. Siguro what were the things that you observed in terms of kung ano yung dapat baguhin ng team or ayusin ng team that helped you guys integrate back into the lineup this time and get the win today?
For me, yung pagpasok namin pabalik, mabigat talaga. Kasi syempre, coming from a 4-game losing streak, medyo mahirap as an athlete ibalik yung kumpiyansa. So, ang pagbalik ko, ang sinabi lang din sa akin ni Coach is just do what you do. Hayaan mo na sila yung parang sumunod sa'yo. Ganon. Kasi we have to show the kids that kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong sitwasyon ng ibigay sa'yo, you have to be playing consistent. Hindi ka na pumipili ng situation, kumbaga. So kahit anong situation, kailangan matuto ka na kung paano ka maglalaro ng kung ano yung nilalaro. Parang gano'n.
For you, man.
For me, same. It's kind of like what I said earlier. Yung aggressiveness sa court, that's what I saw that hopefully I can teach the younger one, like Ishi, the younger ones. And I got that din lang from my experience and being brave. So, like what Ate Don said, my mindset isn't to change them, but to really make sure I do what I need to do, not just in games, in practice, outside of practice, so that they see that, we're doing our jobs and this is what will help the team.
Coach, syempre maraming talk about yung return nila, but of course, yung players na nauna, yung sila Erica, especially yung new signings, nag-show sila ng promises. Siguro, ano na lang po yung nakikita nyo dun sa potential nitong full strength lineup nyo in the coming games or conferences din?
I think yung time para makapag-training talaga. Kasi syempre, kahit na for us yan, sa atin lahat, nagpe-perform, ganito, ganyan. But syempre yung adjustment kung gaano din, ito yung gagawin pag ganito yung sitwasyon. I think doon pa kami medyo nakukulangan. And then yung paano yung diskarte ng buong team. Kasi syempre may mga instances talaga na alam nila, Erica yung pinaka-main namin. And then siguro yung tulong lang din ng ibang spiker namin sa other side. So yung mga wing spiker. Think training talaga and more on paano din talaga magpo-progress. And meron na kami mga plano. I think yung time lang din para dito. And yung commitment kasi andyan lang lagi. Wala akong masasabi sa team. Lagi silang ready para matuto, para makinig. Kaya yun nga, kapag yun itong na-feel namin this past few days, medyo mabigat para sa amin. But yun lang, nandito pa rin kami, lumalaban din talaga. At never kami mag-stop kasi yun talaga yung goal eh. Kasi mas walang mangyayari sa amin pag tumigil kami. So yung potential, yung future ng team, talagang kailangan ma-reach namin siya. Talagang paghihirapan namin lahat siya. So yun lang, time lang talaga para sa training namin.
Don and Vani, just an advanced question. So, by the Reinforced Conference, national team players will still play the PVL, but you will be training twice a week then with the national team. So, with a very hectic stretch coming up later this year, Para how are you staying focused and committed lang to not only fulfilling your duties with the Last, but also fulfilling your duties with Signal in that possible championship pursuit again?
They will not sleep. Hindi na,
Lahat naman siguro kasi napag-uusapan. Siyempre, both sides, Alas and Signal, respects yung condition ng katawan ng athletes. So, perfect balance lang siguro talaga.
Also for same question.
Same answer.
I think yan lang din.
Same answer.
Just a different question naman. First time playing with Erica as well, with Signal. So how are you liking her and what she's been adding to the team? Yung preseason MVP and now you have like a more boosted offense with Erica.
No, I'm super happy that Erica's in the team. We've been talking throughout the season. We're so excited to play with each other, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to the future of this team.
Coach, what can you say lang sa performance ni Erin? 10 points, best performance niya since joining the team.
Sobrang happy kasi yun nga, alam din namin yung potential ng bata. That's why yun din siya rin yung first pick namin. And puro yung adjustment din niya from UAAP to pro. Kasi syempre, alam namin na kaya niyang gumalaw ganito. Pero ang dami pa rin namin pwedeng ituro sa kanya. And yun nga, good thing yun, nakakapaglaro siya. Mas na-feel niya yung paano talaga gumalaw ng tama sa loob ng court. At mas excited kami para sa mga susunod pa na gagawin ni Erin.
Coach, next game niyo will be against guest team Kobe Silva. Na-mention kanina na mabilis talaga yung galawan nila and madepensa sila. So, paano niyo ititake yung ganong challenge na yun coming Thursday?
Itatali namin sila parang sila. But kidding aside, I think mas mag-focus muna ulit kami sa team namin. Kasi yun, given na sa kanila yun eh. I think mas kailangan namin mag-prepare, mag-ready. Yung mindset namin. And yung recovery din. And then, siguro mas ilabas din lang namin kung ano yung meron yung team. Especially, nakabalik na si Don and Vanny. So, I'm sure magiging maganda yung laban. And mag-review lang kami. Viewing din and then practice ulit. Ano yung mga magiging game plan. So, yun lang.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay.
Thank you.